Yeah, cooking with a gimbal is definitely a little bit different. See this? Like that. So right now the boat is healing this way. Look at the stove. So this is the boat. Ah, it always is making me a little bit nervous. This. But I just do. Oh yeah, so it is strapped in. I got three of these actually on there. Let's see, let me show you. It was one, two, I hold it in, and that one I just put on. It's hot. I do not want this to spill on me. Anyways, we're off to go to Saint Martin. It is, what time is it? 4:31. 4:30. And we hope to be there in 14 hours. So we'll see you there on the other side, on the island.